Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your UKZ account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your UKZ account on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address ukz.com/cms like this and hit on enter. Or you can just simply search for UKZ login like this on the Google itself, and after you have type this hit on enter, and on the first result of Google you can see there is the ukz.com with CMS, which is the login to UKZ. Click over there and you can see guys you are over here on the login page of the UKZ, and on the first tab from the site or the web address we typed in manually, we are here on the same page of the login page of the UKZ. Since both of these pages are same, let's put one of these. Now to log into your UKZ account, you'll be required to enter your username over here like this, with which you have registered an account on UKZ, and of that enter your password this. And after you have entered your username and your password, you can see the login button over here guys. Click on login and log into your UKZ account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.